Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. This week I have been posting Diamond Art Club Black Friday sneak peeks, and today I just realised that I made a mistake with the release times. In the videos I have been saying the early release is for Diamond and Ruby members. That is not the case. I made a mistake. Early release is for Diamond members only. So I just thought I would clarify that in case it caused any confusion. The thing is, if you are not a Diamond member and you're thinking, okay, so the Diamond members are going to grab all the good stuff before I even get a chance at general release, that is not the case. Diamond Art Club allocate X number for the early release, but they keep back stock for general release. That way everybody has a chance to get the kit they want. That also applies for Diamond members. If you aren't successful in the early release and the kit that you want or kits that you want are out of stock, you still have a chance to get it at the general release. So it's open for everybody. So I just wanted to do this quick video. Sorry if it caused any confusion for anybody. I didn't want anybody setting their alarms for the middle of the night, only to find out that they actually don't have access. So 111 kits will be released on Black Friday. I'm sure some of them are going to sell out very, very quickly. Sometimes it's within minutes. In fact, sometimes it may even be less than a minute. So I just want to say good luck to everybody. I hope you get the kits that you want. And that's it for today. So thanks for watching. And in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.